In the fast-paced and stress-filled world we inhabit today, maintaining a healthy lifestyle has become more crucial than ever. Among the plethora of wellness practices available, yoga stands out as a holistic and time-tested approach that encompasses physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. Originating in ancient India, yoga has transcended cultural boundaries to become a globally recognized practice. This video delves into the benefits and techniques of incorporating yoga into one's routine, elucidating its impact on physical health, mental equilibrium, and overall quality of life. Physical health benefits. Yoga offers a multifaceted array of physical benefits that can significantly enhance one's well-being. Through a series of postures, asana, that range from gentle stretches to more intense poses, yoga enhances flexibility, strength, and balance. Regular practice of yoga can alleviate muscle tension, improve posture, and reduce the risk of injuries by enhancing body awareness and core stability. Furthermore, yoga's emphasis on controlled breathing, pranayama, facilitates better oxygenation of the body, which in turn enhances lung capacity, boosts circulation, and contributes to better cardiovascular health. The practice also helps in regulating blood pressure and reducing the risk of chronic ailments such as heart disease and diabetes. Mental and emotional equilibrium. Incorporating yoga into one's routine extends beyond the realm of physical well-being. The meditative aspects of yoga foster mental clarity, emotional balance, and stress reduction. The practice encourages mindfulness, which involves being fully present in the moment without judgment. This mindfulness can help individuals manage anxiety, depression, and other mental health challenges. Yoga's emphasis on relaxation and stress reduction is particularly significant in today's hectic world. The combination of physical movement and mindful breathing engages the parasympathetic nervous system, triggering the relaxation response and reducing the production of stress hormones. This, in turn, leads to reduced levels of stress and an increased sense of calm and tranquility. Enhanced flexibility and mind-body connection. One of the fundamental pillars of yoga is the enhancement of flexibility. Through regular practice, individuals gradually increase their range of motion, which can alleviate joint pain, improve circulation, and promote better mobility. The gentle stretches and poses not only improve physical flexibility, but also symbolize the openness to change and new experiences in life. Yoga also strengthens the mind-body connection. As practitioners become more attuned to their bodies, they develop a heightened awareness of physical sensations, emotions, and thoughts. This self-awareness cultivates a deeper understanding of one's inner workings and encourages the recognition of areas that may need attention or healing. Cultivation of inner peace and spirituality. Beyond its physical and mental benefits, yoga delves into the realm of spirituality and self-discovery. The practice encourages introspection and self-inquiry, promoting a sense of inner peace and harmony. Through meditation and mindfulness, individuals can explore their thoughts and emotions, leading to greater self-awareness and self-acceptance. Yoga does not demand adherence to any specific religious beliefs. Rather, it provides a space for individuals to explore their spirituality in a way that aligns with their personal values and beliefs. This exploration can lead to a deeper connection with oneself, others, and the world at large. Incorporating yoga into your routine. Incorporating yoga into one's routine need not be an overwhelming endeavor. Begin with small steps, such as dedicating a few minutes each day to gentle stretches and deep breathing exercises. Gradually, as comfort and familiarity increase, extend the practice by attending classes, whether in person or online. To learn more advanced poses and techniques under the guidance of experienced instructors. Consistency is key in reaping the benefits of yoga. Setting aside dedicated time for practice. Whether it's in the morning to invigorate the body or in the evening to unwind, helps establish a routine that becomes an integral part of one's daily life. Conclusion. Yoga, with its profound impact on physical health, mental equilibrium, and spiritual well-being, serves as a holistic approach to modern-day wellness challenges. By incorporating yoga into their routines, individuals can achieve a harmonious balance between mind, body, and spirit. The journey into yoga is not just a physical practice. It is a path toward self-discovery, personal growth, and a profound sense of well-being. In an increasingly complex world, as the saying goes, yoga is the journey of the self, through the self, to the self. Thanks for watching this video.